So right now we have the next track coming
Which
up.
one you want here? I'm gonna let you pick.
Give me the. Not tell nobody. I understand me. I said more than one day.
I'm gonna pick the one day.
One day.
Let's go. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Time stands still when we're loving. I live for your loving. Oh, I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me.
What you say?
Spoke to me. No, I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me. Yeah.
What you say?
Spoke to me. Oh, please don't tell nobody. Say you touch my body so easily. Oh, please don't tell nobody. Say you touch my body so easily. Oh, I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me.
What you say?
Spoke to me.
All right. Hey.
I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me.
What you say?
Spoke to me.
What's it? Hey.
So please don't tell nobody. I pray to God for both 40 days. For find a man where have Negus ways. Emotional but still masculine. Dominant, gentle and genuine. Conversations that's interesting. Sense of humor that's humoring. I gave it up. And usually I wouldn't make you wait, but your sense of humor and your placid ways made me pause a bit to contemplate. I felt the chemistry as we ate. I knew right then that I would abrogate all the plans that I'd formulated. Or maybe it is always fated, so please, not tell nobody. Say you touch my body so easy. Not tell nobody. See you touch my body so easily. Oh, I don't do this, but your energy spoke to me.
It's a what?
It spoke to me.
All right. Hey.
I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me.
It's a what?
Spoke to me.
All right. Hey.
I see the life in your eyes. Ooh, when the night ends, boy, I feel so safe with your arms around me. When you're loving me, and when you're touching me. Not tell nobody. See you touch my body. Oh, I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me.
Wait, no.
It spoke to me.
All right.
No,
Hey.
I don't do this usually, but your energy spoke to me.
Wait, no.
It spoke to me.
All right. Hey.
So please don't tell nobody. Say you touch my body so easily. Oh, please don't tell nobody. Say you touch my body so easily. Oh. Yo, it is so hard. It is so hard keeping a straight face next to this nigga, yo. Yo, I was fighting about my laugh the whole song.
Sorry if I went overboard there. Sorry, but bumbo clot. Actually, you can't see goosebumps under my blood clot jacket. I'm not just studio artist, the thing up there, you understand what I say?